Apple just dropped a bunch of updates across all our favorite devices. And while they might seem small at first glance, they actually play a huge role in our daily tech experience. These aren't the big, flashy updates that get all the headlines, but they're absolutely crucial for keeping everything running smoothly behind the scenes. These point releases like iOS 26.0.1 are designed to fix bugs and glitches that can make using our devices unexpectedly frustrating, even if we don't always notice them right away. Think of it like a pit crew tuning up a race car, quick, precise adjustments that keep everything performing at its best, even if the changes aren't obvious from the outside. Apple is doing just that for our iPhones, iPads, and Macs, working tirelessly to make sure our devices stay reliable and secure. Released on September 29, 2025, these updates come just 2 weeks after the major launch of iOS 26 and macOS Tahoe, showing how quickly Apple responds to early feedback and issues. They address common issues that users have reported, making the overall experience smoother, more reliable, and less prone to those little annoyances that can add up over time. Apple released updates for iOS, iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, tvOS, and even visionOS, with each update specifically designed to squash certain bugs and improve performance across the board. It's not about adding new features this time, but about fixing real-world problems like Wi-Fi disconnects, random app crashes, or battery drain, issues that can really disrupt your day if left unchecked. These updates improve stability and performance across all devices, ensuring a solid foundation for future features and making sure your Apple ecosystem works together seamlessly. So, while these updates might seem minor, they're actually a big deal for anyone who relies on their Apple devices every day. Let's dive into the details and see exactly what problems Apple has solved with this latest round of software magic. Let's dive into iOS 26.0.1, the latest update from Apple that's packed with crucial fixes and improvements. If you've been frustrated by those little glitches that seem to pop up at the worst times, this update is definitely for you. It's especially important for anyone using the new iPhone 17 models, which have seen the most reports of issues since launch. One of the biggest complaints from users has been about connectivity. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth would randomly disconnect, making it hard to stay connected to your devices or the internet. With this update, Apple has addressed those issues, so you should notice a much more stable and reliable connection, whether you're streaming music, joining a video call, or just browsing online. The update also tackles cellular connectivity problems, which previously caused unexpected call drops or poor signal, especially in busy areas or while traveling. On top of that, visual bugs like blinking app icons and distorted photos in your gallery have been fixed, so your phone looks and feels more polished. Accessibility has also seen improvements with fixes for VoiceOver and other features, making the iPhone easier to use for everyone, including those who rely on assistive technology. However, it's worth noting that some users are still experiencing issues with the personal hotspot feature, which means sharing your internet connection might not work perfectly for everyone just yet. While the update isn't a complete fix for every single problem, it does address many of the most critical and frustrating issues that users have faced recently. These improvements help ensure your phone works the way it should. No more dropped calls, random disconnects, or endless loading screens when you need your phone most. Overall, iOS 26.0.1 is a solid step forward, making your iPhone experience smoother, more reliable, and just a little less annoying every day. Now let's talk about the iPad and what's new for users. iPadOS 26.0.1 shares the same build number as iOS, focusing on stability and reliability for your device. It fixes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth disconnects, which is crucial for uninterrupted use with your favorite accessories and devices. Visual glitches like blinking icons and photo artifacts are resolved, further enhancing the iPad's overall visual experience. Accessibility improvements ensure the iPad remains a powerful and inclusive tool for all users. Even older iPads benefit from this update, making them feel noticeably faster and more dependable than before. Moving to the Mac, macOS Tahoe 26.0.1 brings a crucial fix for Mac Studio users with the M3 Ultra chip. This update is essential for those who have been facing issues with their systems. Some couldn't install macOS Tahoe, a nightmare for power users relying on their Macs for work. Imagine the frustration of being unable to access critical updates. This update resolves the installation issue, allowing upgrades. Now, users can finally move forward with their projects without any hitches. For others, it improves overall stability and security. This means fewer crashes and a more reliable system. These updates smooth out the initial macOS Tahoe release, enhancing daily interactions. Users will notice a more fluid experience. Think of it as fixing a leaky faucet in a new house, making everything perfect. It's the small fixes that make a big difference. For Mac Studio users, it's like fixing a door that wouldn't open. Now, everything works as it should. For everyone else, it's about ensuring everything works smoothly. No more unexpected glitches or interruptions. Head to System Settings and get this update installed on your Mac. It's a must-have for a seamless experience. Don't forget the Apple Watch. watchOS 26.0.1 focuses on bug fixes and performance improvements. It's about making the Apple Watch more reliable, from heart rate tracking to timely notifications. Some Apple Watch Ultra 3 users saw a different update, highlighting hardware-specific fixes. This update addresses issues like workout syncing, watch face complications, and battery drain. A stable connection to your iPhone is critical, and this update enhances that. Install watchOS 26.0.1 for a more reliable Apple Watch experience. Let's not forget the Apple TV and Vision Pro, which also received important updates. tvOS 26.01 and visionOS 26.0.1 are silent fixes, improving stability and security. For Apple TV, it's about preventing app crashes and improving performance. Vision Pro's update focuses on refining the core OS, fixing bugs, and enhancing tracking. These updates ensure a seamless experience across the Apple ecosystem. A stable Apple TV ensures flawless AirPlay, while a stable Vision Pro enhances integration with your Mac. These updates are crucial for a cohesive and reliable experience across all devices. Should you hit that download and install button? Absolutely yes. These updates improve the fundamental experience of using your devices daily. They make your tech more reliable, secure, and less frustrating. Installing the update is like a quick spring cleaning for your software. These updates often include security patches, protecting your personal data. It's a small investment of time for a smoother, more stable experience. Apple is listening to user feedback and quickly fixing problems. Update your devices and enjoy a seamless experience with them.